In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance or coming soon mode using Elementor. We'll walk through this process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to temporarily hide your site from visitors while you work on it, and still give them a professional page to look at. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find the Elementor option. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it. A small submenu will appear underneath. From that submenu, click on Editor. This will open Elementor's own dashboard area inside WordPress, where we can access the tools we need. Now that you're inside the Elementor dashboard, look again at the left-hand panel. Take a moment to scan through the options and find the one labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools. This will open a new page with several tabs across the top. Among those tabs, look for the one called Maintenance Mode and click on it. This is where we'll control whether your site is in normal mode, coming soon mode, or full maintenance mode. Inside the Maintenance Mode tab, you'll see a few different settings we need to configure. The first one is a drop-down labeled Choose Mode. Click on that drop-down and you'll see at least two options, Coming Soon and Maintenance. Choose Coming Soon if your site is not yet launched and you want search engines to be able to start indexing it. Choose Maintenance if your site is already live and you're doing updates and you don't want visitors to see a broken or half-updated site. Pick the mode that best fits your situation. Next, look for the drop-down labeled Who Can Access. This controls who can still see the full site while everyone else sees the maintenance or coming soon page. If you select Logged In, anyone who is logged into the site will see the normal site, while visitors see the special page. If you select Custom, you'll be able to choose specific user roles, like administrators or editors, who are allowed to bypass maintenance mode. This is useful if you're collaborating with a team. After that, you'll see a field called Choose Template. Click in that field, and you'll get a list of templates you've already created in Elementor. Select the template you want to use as your maintenance or coming soon page. If you don't see one yet, you may want to pause and create a simple landing page template beforehand, then come back here to select it. Once all of these options are set the way you want them, scroll down if needed and look to the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click Save Changes to apply everything you just configured. This is an important step because your settings won't take effect until you save. After saving, your site will immediately switch to the mode you selected, using the template you chose. You can always come back to the same Maintenance Mode tab later to turn it off or adjust the settings. That's all it takes to enable maintenance or coming soon mode using Elementor.